Just derive dimensional formula for different quantities like area. What is the basic formula for area? Area basic formula is length whole square. Length whole square. For a square, what is the formula for area? Length whole square. For length, what is the dimension formula? So L square. So for length, L whole square is there, na? So that I am substituting that one as easily. So L square. Now what is the basic format? Dimensional formula should be like this: m power of something, L power of something, T power of something. We need to write dimension formula in that format only. So that write down like that. So here m not there, na? So m power of 0. So L is there, so L square. So T not there, so T power of 0. M power 0, L square, T power 0 is the dimensional formula for area. Next one. Next quantity, volume. Dimensional formula for volume. If you consider a cube, then what is the volume of a cube? Is a length whole cube, na? Volume of a cube formula, length whole cube, side length whole cube. So what is the dimensional formula for length? L only. So L cube. So can you write this one in terms of m power something, L power something, T power something? So it should be m power 0, L cube, T power 0. This is the dimensional formula for volume. This is the dimensional formula for volume. Next quantity, acceleration. Next physical quantity, acceleration. What is the dimensional formula? What is the basic formula for acceleration? Acceleration basic formula is velocity by time. Basic formula for acceleration is velocity by time or speed by time. Or velocity can be written as displacement. Displacement by time whole square we can write. Displacement by time whole square. Why? Because velocity, what is the formula for velocity? Velocity equal to displacement by time. Substitute that one there. So instead of velocity, if you substitute displacement by time, here a time is there already, so that you will get time whole square here. Now, what is the dimensional formula for displacement? L. What is the dimensional formula for time? Capital T. Whole square is there, na? So we need to write like this. So we can express this one as L T power minus 2. We can express that one as L T power minus 2. Now, can you write that one in terms of basic format? What is the value? M power 0, L T power minus 2. M power 0, L T power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula for acceleration. Dimensional formula for acceleration is this one. Second one, sir. So acceleration basic formula, velocity by time. Velocity again can be written as displacement by time. So here already time is there, so that you will get a time whole square. Now for displacement dimensional formula L. Next for time dimension is a T. So L by T square or L T power minus 2. So you will get M power 0 L T power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula for acceleration. Next one. Next physical quantity. Force. From Newton's second law, what is the formula for force? What is the formula for force? From Newton's second law, what is the formula for force? Force F equal to mass into acceleration. Na? Force F equal to mass into acceleration. Now, dimensional formula for mass is a capital M. Dimensional formula for acceleration L t power minus 2. Just substitute those, then you will get the answer. So, what is the dimensional formula for force? M L t power minus 2. So, m power is how much is there? 1 only. So, m power 1 is same as m. If I write m, then how much is the power? 1 is the power. So, both are same. M power 1 or m, both are same. Here L is there, or we can write it as L power 1. Both are same only. Next one. Linear momentum. Next quantity, linear momentum. Next quantity, linear momentum. Linear momentum is denoted by a small p, small letter p. What is the basic formula for linear momentum? Linear momentum basic formula is a mass into velocity. Basic formula for linear momentum is a mass into velocity. Now, dimensional formula for mass, capital M. Dimensional formula for velocity, L t power minus 1, or speed. Dimensional formula for speed, L t power minus 1. Just I substituted that one. Then you will get M L t power minus 1 is the dimensional formula for linear momentum. So this is the basic process to write a dimensional formula for any physical quantity. So just if you know the formula, then you can write a dimensional formula easily. So here linear momentum. What is the formula for linear momentum? Mass into velocity. Mass dimension is capital M. Velocity dimension is L t power minus 1. Just substitute those, then you will get the answer as M L t power minus 1. Is this clear? Next one. Next quantity, density, volume density. So volume density. What is volume density can be written as can be represented with rho or small d. Now, volume density formula is mass by volume. Volume density is nothing but mass by volume. Mass by volume. What is the dimensional formula or dimension for mass? Capital M. Dimension for volume? L cube. So we can write this one as M L power minus 3. M L power minus 3. T not there na? So that we need to write this one as T power 0. M L power minus 3 into T power 0. That is the dimensional formula for volume density. Dimensional formula for volume density is how much? M L power minus 3 T power 0. What is the basic formula for volume density? Mass by volume. Mass by volume is the density formula. Mass dimension is M, volume dimension is L. So L cube. So M by L cube, or we can write this one as M L power minus 3 T power 0. M L power minus 3 T power 0 is the dimensional formula for a volume density. Next one. Next quantity. Work done. Work done. Work done basic formula. Force into displacement. Work done. What is the basic formula for work done? Work done basic formula is a force into displacement. Force into displacement is the basic formula for work done. For a force, what is the dimensional formula? Or if you forget that one, then we can use just expand this one. What is the formula for force? Mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. Into displacement, we need to write as it is. Now, what is the dimensions of mass? Capital M. Dimensions of acceleration? L t power minus 2. L t power minus 2. Next, dimensions of displacement? L. Dimensions of mass is M. Dimensions of acceleration is L t power minus 2. Dimensions of displacement is L. So combine all these. Here 1L is there, L power 1 is there, here also L power 1. So that we can write this one as M L square t power minus 2. M L square t power minus 2 is the dimensional formula for a work done. So energy also same dimensional formula. Any energy in the physics is the dimensional formula is ml square t power minus 2 only. Ml square t power minus 2 for any energy. So heat energy or electrostatic energy or magnetic energy, any type of energy, potential energy, kinetic energy, total energy, work done, all are having same dimensional formula, that is ml square t power minus 2 only. Any energy in the physics dimensional formula is same. M L square t power minus 2. Or work done also same dimensional formula. So work done, total energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, heat energy, electrostatic energy. So potential energy or electrostatic potential energy or magnetic energy. All are these having a same dimensional formula, that is ml square t power minus 2 only. So this is about a dimensional formula for work done. Next one. Next quantity. Next one. Frequency. So frequency, what is the basic formula for frequency? Basic formula for frequency. What is the relation between frequency and time period? Frequency equal to 1 by time period. The reciprocal of time period is nothing but a frequency. Now, what is the dimensions of time period or time? Dimensions of time period or time is a capital T only. Dimensions of time period or time is capital T. Dimensions of time period or time is a capital T. Or we can write this one as a t power minus 1. We can write this one as a t power minus 1. Now, so frequency is nothing but 1 by time period or 1 by t or t power minus 1. Can you write this one in terms of original format, dimensional formula format? So m and l not there na, so that write m power 0, l power 0, m power 0, l power 0, t power minus 1. M power 0, L power 0, t power minus 1 is the dimensional formula for frequency. This is the dimensional formula for a frequency. Next quantity. Angular velocity. Next quantity, angular velocity. First, let me discuss angular displacement. Angular displacement theta. Angular displacement theta. Now, what is the dimensional formula for angular displacement? Angular displacement dimensional formula. That is angle. So we discussed for fundamental quantities. What about for supplementary quantities? For supplementary quantities, what are the dimensional formulas? For supplementary quantities, no dimensions. Supplementary quantities are not having any dimensions. Supplementary quantities are not having any dimension. So that this is a dimensionless quantity. Supplementary physical quantities, nothing but angle, plane angle and solid angle are not having any dimensional formula. So what about angular displacement dimensional formula? M power 0, L power 0, T power 0. This is also called dimensionless. Is also called a dimensionless. Here is one important theoretical conclusion is there. So in physics, only two quantities are there. They are having units. Angle, that is a unit is a radian, is a plane angle. Next one, solid angle. Solid angle, steradian. So in physics, these are having a plane angle and solid angle having units, but not dimensional formula. So here only two quantities are there, that type of quantities. Those are having a unit but not dimensional formula. అంటే మొత్తం ఫిజిక్స్ లో యూనిట్ ఉండి డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములాస్ లేనివి ఏంటి? ఈ రెండే, ప్లేన్ యాంగిల్ అండ్ సాలిడ్ యాంగిల్. టోటల్ ఫిజిక్స్ లో సో యూనిట్ ఉండి, ఎస్ఐ యూనిట్ ఉండి డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా లేదు, అలాంటి క్వాంటిటీస్ ఏంటి? రెండే రెండు క్వాంటిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి. రేడియన్ ప్లేన్ యాంగిల్ ఎస్ఐ యూనిట్ రేడియన్ అండ్ సాలిడ్ యాంగిల్ ఎస్ఐ యూనిట్ స్టెరిడియన్. సో ఈ రెండింటికి యూనిట్ ఉంటది, డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా ఉండదు. బట్ సో ఇన్ జనరల్ యూనిట్ లేకపోతే డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా కూడా ఉండదు, ఎక్సెప్ట్ దీస్ టూ. డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా లేదంటే యూనిట్ ఉండదు, యూనిట్ లేదంటే డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా ఉండదు, వైస్ వెర్సా. యూనిట్ లేకపోతే డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా ఉండదు, డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా లేకపోతే యూనిట్ ఉండదు, ఎక్సెప్ట్ దీస్ టూ, ఈ రెండింటికి తప్ప. సో మొత్తం ఫిజిక్స్ లో యూనిట్ ఉండి డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములాస్ లేని ఏంటి? ఈ రెండే. ఇంకా మిగిలిన డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా, యూనిట్ ఉంటే డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా ఉంటుంది, లేదంటే డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా ఉండదు. ఎస్ఐ యూనిట్ లేదు అంటే డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా ఉండదు, మరి యూనిట్ లేదంటే డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా ఉండదు. కానీ ఈ రెండింటికి ఏంటి? యూనిట్ ఉంటుంది కానీ డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా ఉండదు. సో దీస్ టూ ఆర్ ఎక్సెప్షనల్ కేసెస్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద థియరిటికల్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. సో ఇన్ టోటల్ ఫిజిక్స్, which quantities are having dimensional or not having dimensional formulas, but they are having unit? They are having unit but not dimensional formula. So what are they? Plane angle and solid angle. These two quantities are having a unit but not a dimensional formula. Unit only dimensional formula లేని ఏంటి? ఈ రెండే. మొత్తం ఫిజిక్స్ లో ఈ రెండే అన్నమాట. మిగిలిన వాటికి ఏంటి? యూనిట్ ఉంటే డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా ఉంటది, యూనిట్ లేకపోతే డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా ఉండదు. కానీ దీనికి యూనిట్ ఉంటాయి కానీ డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా ఉండదు. నెక్స్ట్, సో యాంగులర్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్. సో యాంగులర్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా ఏమొచ్చింది? Angular displacement dimensional formula is m power 0, L power 0, T power 0. Also we can call it as a dimensionless. This quantity is a dimensionless quantity. We can call this quantity as a dimensionless. Dimensionless quantity. Next one, angular velocity. Angular velocity. What is the basic formula for angular velocity? Angular velocity basic formula is angular displacement. Angular displacement by time. Angular displacement by time. What is the dimensional formula for angular velocity? Angular displacement m power 0, L power 0, T power 0. No dimension. If I write m power 0, L power 0, T power 0 means that is not having any dimension. Next, time. Dimension is a capital T, or we can write this one as T power minus 1. But in exact notation, we need to write this one as m power 0, L power 0, T power minus 1. This is the dimensional formula for angular velocity. Dimensional formula for angular velocity is this one. Dimensional formula for angular velocity is m power 0, L power 0, T power minus 1. Angular displacement, no dimensional formula. Angular displacement not having any dimensional formula. So that we need to write m power 0, L power 0, T power 0. Now, angular velocity is nothing but angular displacement by time. Angular displacement dimensional formula, no dimension. So that power 0 only there. For time, capital T. Rearrange that one, then you will get T power minus 1. Then m power 0, L power 0, T power minus 1 is the formula for angular velocity. Next one. Angular acceleration. Next quantity. Angular acceleration. Next one is angular acceleration. So angular acceleration, what is the basic formula? Angular acceleration means angular velocity by time. Angular velocity by time. What is the dimensional formula for angular velocity? Check it once. What is the dimensional formula for angular velocity? M power 0, L power 0, T power minus 1. Substitute that one. Angular velocity dimensional formula is m power 0, L power 0, T power minus 1. For time dimension formula, capital T. Now, we can write this one as m power 0, L power 0, T power minus 2. So m power 0, L power 0, T power minus 2 is the dimensional formula for angular acceleration. Angular acceleration dimensional formula is m power 0, L power 0, T power 0. Just take this one, sir. Next one, next quantity, pressure. Pressure. So what is the formula for pressure? What is the basic formula for pressure? Pressure basic formula is force per unit area. Force by area. Pressure basic formula, force by area. Just substitute a dimensional formula for force as well as a dimensional formula for area. What is the dimensional formula for force? Force basic equation is mass into acceleration. For mass dimensional formula capital M. For acceleration L T power minus 2. That is the dimensional formula for force. Substitute that one here. Then you will get M L T power minus 2 by area is nothing but L square. M L T power minus 2 by L square. M L T power minus 2 by L square. Rearrange this one. M. So L into L power minus 2. Or cancel L, then you will get L power minus 1. Or M L power minus 1 T power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula for pressure. Cancel this L once, then you will get L power 1 only. If you take this one to numerator, then it becomes M L power minus 1 T power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula for pressure. This is the dimensional formula for pressure. Is this clear? Can I go through the next one? Next one. Next one. Next quantity is nothing but stress. Stress. So formula for stress. What is the basic formula for stress? Stress also having same formula as pressure, force by area. Force by area only. What is the dimensional formula for force? M L T power minus 2. Area L square. So it becomes M L power minus 1 T power minus 2. M L power minus 1 T power minus 2 is the dimensional formula for a stress. So stress, Young's modulus, bulk modulus, rigidity modulus having a same dimensional formula. Now from this discussion, stress and pressure having same dimensional formula. Stress and pressure having a same dimensional formula. Next one. Next quantity. Next quantity. So heat energy. Heat energy formula same as energy or work done only. Heat energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, all are having same formula as work done. Try to solve that one. Try to solve for any of these energies. Now, try to solve this one. Kinetic energy. What is the formula for kinetic energy? Kinetic energy formula 1 by 2 mv square. What is m there? Mass. What is v there? Velocity or speed. Half mv square. 1 by 2 mv square is the formula for a kinetic energy. Now here number is there na. For numbers there is no dimensional formula. For numbers there is no dimensional formula. Now what is the dimensional formula for m? Capital M. For mass, capital M. Next, for velocity or speed, L T power minus 1 whole square. L T power minus 1 whole square. Just substitute values directly. So if you remember that one, otherwise you have to solve. Now, we can write this one as M L square T power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula for a kinetic energy. Kinetic energy dimensional formula is a m L square T power minus 2. Next one. Similarly, can you calculate dimensional formula for potential energy? Potential energy. What is the basic formula? mgh. Potential energy basic formula mgh. So m is mass, g is acceleration due to gravity, h is height. For mass, what is the dimensional formula? Just substitute and solve. Try this one. Try this one. Substitute dimensional formula for mass, dimensional formula for acceleration due to gravity g, dimensional formula for height h. Acceleration due to gravity or acceleration, both are same. Dimensional formula is same for both. For acceleration and acceleration due to gravity. Now try to solve this one. Anyone got the answer? Dimensional formula for mass, capital M. Dimensional formula for acceleration due to gravity or acceleration, L T power minus 2. Dimensional formula for height or nothing but length. Height is nothing but length. Height, length, dimensional formulas are same. Now, so rearrange this one. Then you will get m L square T power minus 2. This is same as previous one. So that we can conclude that kinetic energy and potential energy are having a same dimensional formula. Dimensional formulas are same for both kinetic and potential energy. Dimensional formulas are same for both the kinetic and the potential energy. Next one. Can I go through the next one? Next quantity. Moment of inertia. Moment of inertia. Basic formula for moment of inertia is mass into distance square mass into distance square. That is the basic formula for a moment of inertia. Substitute dimensions for this one. For mass, capital M. For distance, capital L whole square. So m L square, or we can write this one as m L square t power 0. M L square t power 0 is the original format for a dimensional formula. So dimensional formula can be written as m L square t power 0 is the dimensional formula for a moment of inertia. Next one. Next quantity, angular moment. Angular momentum. So angular momentum, that is denoted by letter small l, capital L. What is the basic formula for angular momentum? Angular momentum basic formula. Moment of inertia I into angular velocity omega. What is I? Moment of inertia. Moment of inertia. So omega means angular velocity. Moment of inertia into angular velocity. Now, moment of inertia dimensional formula m L square t power 0 into angular velocity. Angular velocity dimensional formula only t power minus 1. So combine these two, then you will get m L square t power minus 1. M L square t power minus 1 is the dimensional formula for a angular moment. This is the dimensional formula for angular moment. Angular moment dimensional formula is m L square t power minus 1. Now, angular momentum dimensional formula. What is the dimensional formula for angular momentum? M L square t power minus 1. Now, next one, torque. Next quantity, torque. Basic formula for torque is force into perpendicular distance. Basic formula for torque is force into perpendicular distance. Force into perpendicular distance. Force dimensional formula. So m L t power minus 2 is the dimensional formula for a force. M L t power minus 2 is the dimensional formula for force. Next, distance dimensional formula L, either perpendicular distance or distance. So we can write this one as m L square t power minus 2. M L square t power minus 2 is the dimensional formula for a torque. This is the dimensional formula for a torque. So this is same as dimensional formula for energy, work done, kinetic energy, potential energy like that. So this is same as a dimensional formula for a potential energy, kinetic energy, work done, or any of the energy. This is same as a energy dimensional formula. So go through this one once, then I will go through the next one. So complete cheyandi rendu. Completed. Next one. Next one. Can you write dimensional formula for power? What is the basic formula for power? Power basic formula is energy by time, or work done by time. Work done per unit time is called power. Power energy by time. What is the dimensional formula for energy? Energy dimensional formula m L square t power minus 2. Time dimensional formula capital T. So it becomes a m L square T power minus 3. M L square T power minus 3 is the dimensional formula for power. Is the dimensional formula for a power. Next, try to solve this one. Write a dimensional formula for a charge. Next one, current, electric current. Just write a dimensional formula for charge as well as electric current. Write a dimensional formula for charge as well as electric current. So electric current dimensional formula is there. Direct dimensional formula is there. That is nothing but A ampere. So we need to write this one as M power 0, L power 0, T power 0 into A power 1. We need to write this one as a M power 0, L power 0, T power 0 into A. Now, can you write dimensional formula for charge? What is the dimensional formula for charge? What is the formula for charge in terms of current? Current and charge relation. Current can be written as a charge by time. So charge passing through unit area per unit time is nothing. Per unit time is nothing but a current. Current charging current nothing but current is nothing but a charge passing through a conductor in a unit time, or simply charge by time. Now from this one, charge can be written as, from this equation, charge can be written as current into time. Charge can be written as current into time. So current dimensional formula A, time dimensional formula T. Current dimensional formula A, time dimensional formula T. So we can write this one as ATR M power 0, L power 0, T power 1 A. This is the dimensional formula for a charge. M power 0, L power 0, T A is the dimensional formula for charge. Next one, next quantity. Electric field and potential. So these are somewhat difficult. So next quantities are electric field and electric potential. Now we need to write a dimensional formula for electric field. Electric field dimensional formula. Dimensional formula for electric field. What is the dimensional formula for electric field? Now, how you are going to write a dimensional formula for electric field? What is the relation between electric field and work done? Can you write the relation between electric field and work done first? Can you write the relation between electric field and work done? Electric field and work done. Or can you write the relation between electric field and force? Force F equal to electric field into charge Q. This is the relation between force and electric field. Now from that one, electric field can be written as force, electrostatic force by charge. Force dimensional formula. Force dimensional formula M L T power minus 2. M L T power minus 2. Charge dimensional formula AT. Charge dimensional formula A into T. So this is equal to M L T power minus 3 A power minus 1. M L T power minus 3 A power minus 1 is the dimensional formula for a electric field. ML T power minus 3, A power minus 1 is the dimensional formula for a electric field. Next, similarly, derive expression or dimensional formula for a potential. Electric potential. That is denoted by letter V. Now, relation between electric potential and field is V equal to E into D. Electric field into distance. Electric field into distance is the relation between potential and field. So, potential ki field ki relation is V equal to E into D. That is the relation between electric field and potential. Now, substitute E dimensional formula. So we can be written as E dimensional formula is ML T power minus 3. Distance dimensional formula L. Rearrange this one. Then you will get this one as ML square T power minus 3. This is the dimensional formula for a potential. Dimensional formula for potential is ML square T power minus 3. ML square T power minus 3 is the dimensional formula for a potential. So is this clear? So these are the different dimensional formulas for different physical quantities. So let me close this topic today. So these are the basic one. So remaining, so how you are going to solve this one? If you know the formula, then we can solve for dimensional formula. And other process is also there. If you know SI unit, if you know the unit, in that case also you can solve for dimensional formula. So here two processes are there to solve for dimensional formula. One is if you know formula, then you can solve the dimensional formula. Second one, if you know SI unit or unit, then you can solve for dimensional formula. So either of these processes you can use. So this is the first process we discussed here. So first process lo discuss chesam. Second process only if you know the formula SI unit or unit, then you can solve for a dimensional formula. So here if you know formula, then only we can solve. So otherwise, what is the other case? If you know unit, then also you can solve for dimensional formula. So our case lo kuda dimensional formula solve chesukochu. So this is about today's class.